bakit tayong gabi ngayon ay nagsisimula magtukos-tukos kasi I'm bringing you on to a 24-hour with me. Bakit ako pabulong? Kasi gabi na hello, we're not some high school who raises their voice at the midnight. Actually, where's my phone? It's 11:37 and ngayon pa lang magsisimula ang araw ko. O hindi, naliligo ako ngayon. Ako naliligo. And that is all. Ayan, I'm just done with my skincare. It's 11:58 in the evening and I'm going to watch Gossip Girls until I drop. I have a work in the studio and that will be all ngayong gabi. Come with me as I take you in this 24-hour vlog with me.
Rise and shine.
Are you vlogging?
Bakit?
I'm just asking.
Hi there. It's actually 10:55. And then magpe-prepare na tayo ng ating susuotin. Naka-ready na yung aking medyas, jogging pants, because I'll be working in the studio today. And then, ang hirap mamili ng pang itaas lalo na tag-init. But you want also to be in style. Would you wear white but your makeup will be ruined? Or you wanna wear black where your sweat will put white on your neckline? And that is an everyday debate. Makeup, glasses, my alcohol, a baon perfume, pang-connect tripod and digital, wallet, may pipe. I have my scissors here. Yeah, that's good. May tape na naman doon. To be 100% dry. And I'm so hungry. Oras na, it's 1. I got 2 hours to prepare. Oh, fuck! Grabe ganito pala pag nagbablog ka. Kailangan mo makipag-post ng entertain sa camera mo. Like your friends or viewers are watching. Pero kapag mag-isa ka, bakit pala tingin? I love my viewers, my friends, or what? And who supports me. Hindi kagaya na iwan sinasabing babagsak na ako. Hello, di ako nabagsak. Hi! I'm back here in the studio and then patangilikin muna natin si Nayo. Parang ingay ni ate. Anyways! Okay! Yeah, so bumili ako ng chocolate matcha kung mataas ng energy after ko magtangan niya kasi I realized wala akong dessert. Sarap! Ano gusto mo sabihin sa kanila? Kanina? Sa kanila lang. Smile lang ako.
Naku, sinumpong na.
Maya po. Okay na po.
Hindi madali itong ginagawa ko. Nagtatrabaho ako ng madagal tapos pahihirapan ako ng ganito. Maghihiganti ako. Hintayin na lang talaga ako.
Number ka ba ng palobo, gang? Hey girl, Abby here. So, aalis na tayo. Ayun. So, short lang yung day natin dito. Sana nalinis na siya. Bye! Hello! I'm done! May binili ako sa grocery. May nakabungguan ako. Hello. Kilala niya yan. I'm back and I'm home. Hindi na ako nagdidi nung nasa biyahe ako at saka yung dumating ako nakadamit ako kasi nakakatamad po. I'm watching Gossip Girl. Yun lamang. See you later. Thank you so much for spending a 24-hour with me. It means so much to me. Like, hindi ko pa nare-review yung clips na ginamit ko. Like, feeling ko super spontaneous. Doon sinabi ko sa sarili ko na I should plan ahead. Don't worry, I have plans for the next episode, but not for this one. Like, kailangan ko nang bumawi. Ganun kasi after all, it's 2 months without the episode. So, thank you so much. Nice seeing you guys again.